Tama ba yun? Klaro ba kayo na ang ginawa lang, ang sinabi nyo sa last hearing, ang sabi ninyo, he was blocking my way, preventing us. He placed another chair at the side of the president for the former president to sit. Yun lang, naglagay lang ng upuan. Obstruction of justice na ba yan?
Opo, ma'am. Kasi ma'am, kung hindi siya umalis doon, hindi namin talaga maisakay sa bus si former president. Kaya nga...
Dahil lang sa isang upuan?
No, ma'am. Pag umupo siya uli, problema na uli yun, ma'am. Paano namin siya mapalakad? Di, bubuhatin namin siya.
Libo-libo
Which is, I really
naman
don't
kayo.
want to do. Yes, ma'am.
Apakaklaro naman sa PD 1829. Yung obstruction of justice, iilan lang naman ang patakaran, ilan lang yung pamamagitan para obstruction. Wala namang sinasaad doon na, lalagyan mo ng upuan para maupo yung matanda. Meron bang ganun?
Ma'am, basta ang bottom line lang po dito, ma'am, after he was removed from the area, wala pang 5 minutes, ma'am, the former president said, let's go. Kaya siya ay sumakay ng bus.
What particular mode?
Wag mong gawing justification yan na General Torre na porque nahankap mo na si A.S. Villaldia, 5 minutes, nadala mo na kaagad si Pangulong Duterte sa aeroplano. Ang tanong dito ngayon, yung paghankap mo ba, ano justification mo? Yun lang naman. Yun lang naman, bakit?
I stand by it, sir. I read him his rights and tell him what law he's violated, and I arrested him and told him exactly what is the basis of my arrest for him. And lawyer siya. Sumama naman sa akin, sir, ng maayos, si A.S. Villaldia. Actually, hindi ko na nga
sino hindi sasama doon? Kadami ninyo doon.
Kaya nga, sir.
Ninyo.
Ganun lang talaga, sir, siguro. Dahil there's really a need to put an end on everything at that night na so, kailangan matapos na yung situation.
Balik tayo. Ilang bisis mo na inulit-ulit. Hulihin si President Duterte at dalhin sa daig. Yun talaga mission mo?
Yes, sir.
Sino nag-order sa'yo?
The Chief of the Philippine National Police, sir.